Hello everyone, welcome back to another Teach Me Interactive unboxing video. Today we have the Nikon Black Range X 4K rangefinder. So we're gonna open her up. Comes with a strap and a lithium-ion battery that will be used to power the rangefinder, and also comes with a warranty card. So if we take the actual rangefinder out, it comes in a nice pouch with a strap that you can just unhook like this in order for keeping it on. You can also strap that onto your belt or clip it onto a backpack or something. We take it out. We can see it's metal and also plastic on the grips, which makes it feel really nice and grippy. Right here we have the battery compartment for this lithium-ion battery, and then here is the eyepiece. It has a 6x finder with multi-layer coating, meaning you're gonna get the best range on whatever you're trying to range, and has a removable little eyepiece there. The finder will the laser will come out of this right here, a little aperture, and then measuring the time it takes for it to come back through this aperture will give you the range on whatever you're trying to find. Unfortunately though, it might be inaccurate in multiple conditions, including rain, fog, snow, if your target is moving, if your target's too small. And if that happens, actually, if you look in here, you'll see instead of a range come up for how far away it is, it'll be multiple, just a series of dashes. Some of the features this one includes is a target priority switching system, which means you can, if there's multiple targets at different distances, you can switch between them to try and get a different range. And it also can switch between meters and yards for easy ranging whatever you use. It is a eye-safe laser, meaning that if you were to point it at someone's eye, it wouldn't damage it as other lasers might do. And the unit is waterproof, meaning you can take it wherever you go, although it will not be effective underwater or pointing at water to figure out how far water is away. So we're gonna weigh this rangefinder. Looks like it comes in at 3 3/4 ounces. So although this is a pretty chunky, I would say, it's a little bit wide of a rangefinder, it is very, very light. And I don't think it'd give you too much trouble just putting it in a chest pocket or a pouch, and certainly not on the hip or being clipped on with this. It is a little bit wide, so it might be a little bit uncomfortable in the pocket, but I don't think it would give you too much trouble. Seeing how long it is, coming in right around 4 inches long. So again, quite compact, easy to fit in the hand. But it is a little bit wide, I would say, for just being in a pocket. Yeah, overall a really great looking rangefinder, very sleek, got great grip on it, amazing glass, and very accurate. In addition, the rangefinder does also come with a tripod mount, also made by Nikon, for all the Black Series rangefinders. If we open it up, we can take a little look at it. As you can see on the back here, it's a stable ranging platform, and it's supposedly very easy to mount on. Comes with a little Allen key and the actual tripod mount. So we'll open this up. A little sticky there, and you can see very easy mounting. You'll just have to unscrew these, slide the rangefinder in. Be super useful for keeping it on a tripod. As you can see, it has a little screw-in attachment part right there, and just for keeping it steady and getting an accurate range on whatever target you're looking for. That is the entirety of the Nikon Black Range X 4K rangefinder. Thank you for watching.